Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and play Sims 4 on Steam. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your particular store.steampower.com or simply store.steam.com. Once you have done so, you're going to find this kind of interface and you will get to over here. Afterwards, simply here in the store section, you're going to choose and simply go to search bar and type in Sims 4. Upon doing that, you can see the Sims 4 on top. You can go ahead, choose any of the one you want. Simply tap on this on top. This is free to play. Once you're tapped on it, you're gonna find this kind of interface right regarding the game itself. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see this play the Sims 4. It is actually free to play. You can simply start tapping on this play game and start playing game, or you can see including with EA Play as well. Starting, if you would like to pay for it, you can also do it, but if you would like to simply play free, you do have the option on top, and you can find all of the information regarding it just going to the bottom, and you can simply access it likewise over here. So this is simply the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.